Ready to dive into the action-packed world of Marvel Rivals? In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and play Marvel Rivals on your PC using the Epic Games Launcher. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser and search for Epic Games. In the search results, look for the official website, usually the first link that appears. Click on it to head straight to the Epic Games Store. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see a download button. Click on it to download the Epic Games Launcher setup file. After the setup file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder and double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, select your preferred installation location, and click Install. The installation might take a few moments, so sit tight while it sets everything up. Once the installation is complete, the launcher may prompt you for updates. If there's an update available, make sure to let it download and install. Updates ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Next, open the Epic Games Launcher. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, don't worry. You can easily create a new account by choosing one of the available options like Google, Facebook, or email. I personally recommend using Google for a quick and seamless login process. Once logged in, you're all set up with the launcher. Now it's time to find the game we've been waiting for, Marvel Rivals. In the Epic Games Launcher, locate the search bar at the top. Type in Marvel Rivals and press enter. The game will appear in the search results. Click on it, and on the games page, you'll see a Get button. Click on it to claim the game for your library. Epic will process your order. It's completely free, so no worries here. After claiming the game, head over to your library in the launcher. You'll find Marvel Rivals listed there. Click on it, and then hit the install button. Choose your desired installation location on your PC and let the game download and install. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some time, so grab a coffee or relax for a bit. Once the installation is complete, the game will be ready to launch. Open Marvel Rivals and get ready to immerse yourself in epic battles with your favorite Marvel characters. And that's it.